Hi, and welcome to my sneak preview Valentine's cocktail special. This video is going just out to subscribers, so you're gonna have a sneak peek of one of the cocktails we'll be making for Valentine's Day. I've had a couple of different requests. The requests I'm going with are strawberries, which I thought was perfect for a Valentine's cocktail. And somebody requested Cointreau. I'm going to use our Morocello instead of Cointreau. It's an orange liqueur, but we use blood orange instead of orange. So it's quite a similar ingredient, but I'm going to go with ours instead of the Cointreau for that one. So on this one, I'm going to start with the strawberries, and it's about 2 chopped strawberries going in to the smaller part of my mixing glass. And then a little bit of mint, about 4 or 5 fresh mint leaves. And then I'm going to do about 10 milliliters of a simple syrup or sugar syrup, equal parts sugar and water. If you use warm water, it does blend down more quickly. It doesn't have to be warm water, but sugar blending into cold water is a little more of a challenge. I'm going to invert that. And now if you've seen any of my live cocktails on Instagram, you'll know that I don't usually muddle mint. But I am going to muddle this because I really want to release the strawberry juices as well. So I'm going to do it quite gently. I can smell the mint in there. Because you don't want to bruise and release the bitter flavors from the mint, but you do want to get all of those strawberries, fresh, beautiful strawberries, nice and mashed, so you get all of their juicy, yummy, fresh flavors into the cocktail. So that is done. Now I'm going to add 2 other ingredients, about 15 milliliters of Morocello. This is a new measuring. I'm still getting used to it. 15. And then 35 milliliters of our original Sir Robin of Locksley gin. And then I'm going to get some ice. If I was in a bar or doing this for people, I would use an ice scoop and get it in, but since it's just for me, I am going to use my hands and get the ice straight out of the freezer. And then I'm going to dump these ingredients over that. Bang it so it stays sealed and give it a good shake for about 10 to 15 seconds until you feel the outside of this mixing vessel getting nice and chilled, and you'll feel the condensation and see the condensation build up. So I'm feeling it starting to get chilled. You can see the condensation is built up, so that is ready. And I've got a glass waiting in the freezer for me. If you can, it's always a good idea to pre-chill your glass. So I've got a nice champagne flute chilled. And I'm going to strain this over that glass. Perils of using fresh fruit. It's getting jammed up in there, but it's going to taste so nice. And if you couldn't guess, based on the glass, once this is strained through and all those little bits of mint and ice and strawberry are strained out of there, I will be topping that with some Prosecco or champagne. Let's see if I can open this first try. Finish the cocktail on one take. Ooh, without spilling a drop, she says. Top that up. That looks absolutely lovely. Strawberry, orange, mint, Prosecco, gin. I think we'll call this a strawberry 75, because a French 75 is lemon juice, gin, and simple syrup topped with champagne. So since we're using strawberry, and no lemon, but Morocello. And then we'll garnish this for Valentine's Day with a lovely heart-shaped strawberry. And there you have your strawberry 75. Cheers. Tune in again on my Instagram Live on Friday, and you will see me making it again.